While connecting 6 cells in a battery in series in a tape recorder, by mistake one cell is connected with reverse polarity. If the effective resistance of the load is 24 ohm and the internal resistance of each cell is 1 ohm and EMF is 1.5 volt, then the current delivered by the battery is. We have 6 identical cells, each of EMF 1.5 volt and internal resistance as 1 ohm, connected in series to form a big battery. And then that battery is connected with this external resistor. And in the question they are asking us to calculate the current sent by this battery to this external resistor. But if you observe carefully, one of the cell is connected with opposite polarity. See clearly, all the cells are having their positive polarity towards left hand side, but this cell is having its positive polarity towards right hand side. So this is called a cell connected with wrong polarities. So let us try to understand the idea. When a cell is connected wrongly in a circuit, then what happens to the current flowing through the circuit? And later on we will use that idea to solve this question. If n cells are connected in series, then their equivalent EMF is given by the addition of their individual EMFs. E plus E up to n times. If you add it, you will get n times E. So the equivalent EMF of this circuit is NE. Now, if m cells out of n cells are connected wrongly, then the equivalent EMF of the circuit is given by E plus E, and since it is connected with wrong polarity, it is minus E. Same way for this, it is minus E, and so on. Now if I say all the cells are connected properly, then their equivalent EMF must be written as NE. Since this cell is wrongly connected, this cell or this EMF will cancel this EMF. It means for one wrong connection, we are losing two cells. For two wrong connections, this E will kill this another E. So for two wrong connections, we will lose totally 4 cells. If m cells are connected wrongly, then we will lose total 2m cells. So out of this Ne, if I subtract 2 times m and then E, I will get the total EMF of this circuit, isn't it? Because of this wrong connection, one cell is getting died. Because of this wrong connection, another cell is getting died. So because of 2 wrong connections, we are losing totally 4 cells. Because of m wrong connections, we will lose totally 2m cells. So the equivalent EMF is given by this equation. You can further simplify it. E equivalent is equal to, you can take E common, you will have n minus 2m E. So this is the expression we are going to use if m cells out of n cells are connected wrongly. So based on the idea discussed in the previous slide, we can write the equivalent EMF of this circuit is 6 volt. Now if you calculate the equivalent resistance of this branch, you will find all the 6 resistances are connected in series with this 24 ohm. So this 1 plus 1 plus 1 total 6 times plus 24, you will get 30 ohm. So the total resistance of the circuit is 30 ohm. So let me write it over here. The total resistance of the circuit is 30 ohm. Now the effective EMF is 6 volt and the total resistance is 30 ohm. So if you use Ohm's law in order to calculate the current is equal to EMF, that is 6 volt, divided by the resistance is 30. So from here you will get current value as 1 by 5 ampere. So the current flowing through this 24 ohm resistance is 1 by 5 ampere.